The enigma of margin of error, a visual odyssey. In the infinite expanse of the data universe, there lies a concept both pivotal and profound, guiding us through the uncertainty of statistics. Welcome to The Enigma of Margin of Error, a Visual Odyssey. Imagine a river, its waters representing the vast population of our studies. Each droplet, a datum, holds a story, a truth waiting to be discovered. We cannot grasp the entire river, so we capture a droplet, a sample. From this, we seek to understand the river's essence. But how accurate is our understanding? Enter the craftsman of certainty, the margin of error. It measures the potential divergence between our sample's whisper and the river's song, the true population parameter. With the margin of error, we paint a range around our estimate, add a stroke and subtract one, crafting a frame of likely reality. Within these bounds, the true melody of the population resonates. Should we embark on this quest multiple times, drawing numerous samples from the river, each would tell its own tale. Each frame, unique in its composition, yet bound by the same rule of chance that exists in our shared reality. Imagine, if you will, a gallery of these endeavors, where 95% of our frames glow, each ensnaring the essence of truth. This is the power of margin of error, a statistical sorcery that, through repetition, reveals the unseen. The margin of error is not just a number, it's a bridge to clarity, a testament to the beauty of inquiry. In the dance of data, it allows us to move with confidence, guided by the light of understanding. Imagine a tightrope walker, each step a delicate dance between precision and the abyss of uncertainty. This is the essence of margin of error. In the realm of statistics, it is the width of the tightrope, the fine line our estimates walk upon, balancing between the true value we seek and the estimate we have. Think of the margin of error as the wiggle room for our estimates. It tells us how much wiggle our conclusions can safely make before they step off the tightrope of accuracy. A small margin of error means our tightrope is wide, granting our estimates the luxury of stability. A large margin of error, however, narrows this tightrope, reminding us to tread with caution. Now let's take a moment to see how our trusty margin of error interacts with the average, the heart of our data set. Imagine a pendulum swinging above a line of numbers. These numbers represent the data points in our study, and the pendulum's center, its equilibrium, symbolizes the average. As the pendulum swings, it gradually comes to rest, aligning with the average. Yet, it does not stop dead in its tracks. It continues to swing. The range of its swing, this wiggle around the average, is where the margin of error plays its part. It tells us how big that range is, which reveals how closely clustered or dispersed our data points are around this central value, giving us insight into the accuracy of our average. Think of the margin of error as the shadow of a sundial in our garden of data. Just as the shadow's length can tell us how much daylight remains, the margin of error illuminates how much our daylight, or our understanding, extends around the average. A short shadow, or a small margin of error, suggests our data is tightly gathered around the average, offering us a clearer, more confident understanding. A long shadow indicates more spread, urging us to consider a wider range of possibilities. Thus, the margin of error becomes a powerful tool in our quest for knowledge. It does not merely suggest the limits of our estimates, but enriches our understanding of the data set as a whole. It helps us gauge the reliability of our average, ensuring that our conclusions are not just guesses, but informed interpretations, sculpted with the precision of a craftsman. So, as we navigate the statistical cosmos, let's remember the tightrope of margin of error. It guides our journey from question to understanding, ensuring that even amidst the vast unknown, we walk a path illuminated by the light of precision. Our odyssey through the margin of error has woven a tapestry of understanding, revealing how amidst the dance of numbers, the tightrope of margin of error steadies our quest for knowledge.